Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the Notes app to automatically move checklist items to the bottom of the list as they are checked on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on Notes. In here, go down to the viewing section and tap on sort check items. By default, it is set to manually. In here, you can choose manually or automatically. If you have selected automatically, then it can automatically move a checklist items to the bottom of the list as they are checked. Now, finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings and swipe up to go back to the home screen. So let's test it out. I'm going to open up the Notes app, and in here I have a note that I have created previously. In here you can see I have a number of things for my shopping checklist. So if I already buy bread, you can see I can select them, or tomatoes. So let's say if I go to choose automatic, so I'm going to go into Notes. Then I go down to sort check items and I will choose automatic. Now I go back to my notes and say I have purchased bread already in my basket. I select that, then that moves down to the bottom. Tomatoes, so if I have already got milk in my basket, then I'll select that. And so you can see it becomes quite useful to move all the items that you already have down to the bottom, and the things that you haven't got to the top. Very similar to if you have a to-do task at home, and if you have done the task already, they get moved to the bottom so that you have more important things moved to the top. And that's it. So that's how you can turn these features on or off in your notes setting. And if I go back in here, you can see you can change it to manually if you do not like the automatic feature. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.